Welcome, everyone, to Full Course Online. In today's video, we are going to create a Gmail account on a mobile phone. If your mobile phone has any browser, open it. Type gmail.com. On this screen, click on Create Account. You can create an account for personal use, or for work, or business. I'm creating it for personal use, therefore, click on that. Okay. Here you have to enter your first name and last name. The last name is optional. Enter your first name and click on Next. On this screen, enter your birthday and gender. Select month, day of the month, and the year you were born. Choose a correct date of birth because, in some cases, when you forget the password, Google will ask you about your birthday to recover it. Click on Next. On this screen, Gmail is suggesting two accounts. You can choose any one of them. And if you don't like it, you can select the third option, which is to create your own Gmail address. I'm going to select the third option. Now here, enter your desired email address. If it is available, then you are in luck. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. Space is not allowed. Click on Next. Enter password. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to give at least 8 characters or more than that. And then click on Next. On this screen, you need to verify your phone number. Select the carrier that you are using right now because it will send a verification code, and if you don't have that number in use, you are in trouble. So select your current mobile phone number, which you are using, and click on Next. Once you receive the 6-digit verification code on your mobile phone, enter it here. In my case, it is 984560. Click on Next. Add a recovery email address. You can skip this option, but I'll suggest that you use this. If you have another account, enter the email address here. If you have any trouble or problems with your account, this email address will be used for recovery purposes. Enter the email address. And click on Next. That is the summary of your information. Your name and the email address. Click on Next. These are some terms you have to accept. Click on I agree. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox is open. A Gmail account is not only an email address, but it is a key to all Google services. If you want to know how to create an email address using a computer, I have another video, the link is given in the description.